such a substance meet water, its behavior reveals a secret code.
Some vanish without a trace. Others wage a relentless war. The difference is a hidden law, written at a scale we cannot see. Enter the true solution, the realm of perfect atomic integration. Here, solute is dismantled. Each particle forms intimate bonds with its solvent. They become inseparable, passing through the smallest filters like ghosts. This union is eternal, a state of stable, invisible unity. The electrolytes in your drink live here, in perfect dissolution.
Now, the suspension. A world where size creates tyranny.
Gravity is the absolute monarch. There is no bonding, only temporary captivity. They are physically imprisoned. A filter enforces total, final separation. Nothing is altered. The original substance can be reclaimed, intact.
The artist's clay slip is a suspension, meant to be unsettled.
But between order and chaos lies a phantom, the colloidal solution.
Its particles inhabit a quantum border, too large to dissolve, but too small and energetic to ever fully surrender to gravity. It partially evades capture, inhabiting a mysterious middle ground. Its signature is light itself, captured and scattered within.
Now, a Deaver puzzle. What is the limit of disappearance?
This is the unsaturated solution. The solvent welcomes more solute, but every solvent has a breaking point, a maximum capacity.
The limit is reached. This is the saturated solution. A dynamic equilibrium. Molecules trade places in a silent, endless truce.
It is not stillness, but perfect, balanced motion.
What if we break the truce? We introduce the chaos of heat.
Energy agitates the water, expanding its capacity to hold solute captive. Strip away that energy.
Saturation is a dance with temperature. It is never a single number.
But do all substances follow the same curve? Let us race them.
Quartz is a recluse. Water can barely convince a speck to dissolve.
Salt is efficient and social. It saturates at 36 grams.
Sugar is a glutton. It demands and receives over 200 grams. The range is staggering, from near zero to overwhelming abundance.
Quartz is a fortress. Its bonds are too strong for water to break.
Salt is a disciplined army. It breaks into small, charge-carrying units.
Fructose is a welcoming host. It's covered in molecular handshakes. Water loves these handshakes. It completely envelops the sugar, dragging it into solution.
The secret is attraction. More bonding sites often means far greater solubility. This code is universal. It sculpts the sky of other worlds. It is harnessed in modern medicine, delivering cures. It builds our continents, one suspended grain at a time. It creates the planet's most breathtaking, saturated landscapes. It defines the textures of gourmet cuisine.
Solution, colloid, suspension, saturation. These are not just categories.
They are fundamental patterns of interaction, repeated across scales.
They are a lens through which we see the invisible structure of our reality.
From the bubble in your hand to the oceans on a globe.
Everything that mixes obeys this ancient, silent code.